Hey, what's up, everyone? As you can tell, as you can tell on the screen, it is August 9th, which is a Sunday. We'll say it's 10 of 12 here on the East Coast in Connecticut. Um, I'm just doing this to show you guys that this is the Vita that I sold on my store for 85 bucks. I did the full mod and stuff like that for this guy. This is the PlayStation Vita 1000 Fat. Like I just said, I sold it for 85 bucks. I'll leave the link to my store down below if you'd like to check it out or whatever. But most of you guys could probably figure stuff out by watching videos and other people's videos. But for those who are kind of on the fence and don't want to F things up, or they don't really know what they're doing, you're more than welcome to send it in. I will say that the PlayStation Slim is so much easier, minus not having a rad screen like the OLED like this, because the background for the Slim, it's not even blue, it's like gray. But this is a fully functional PlayStation Vita 1000. I almost said a Slim, but right now I'm still out on the internet. I have to hotspot my Google phone for internet connection, and it's really slow. It's very spotty. It just blows. I go through Charter, which is Spectrum out here on the East Coast. I don't know if they're like in the middle of the country or the West Coast, but we have Charter. They suck anyway. I'd rather Verizon, but I live in a valley which Verizon doesn't cater to, unfortunately. So I got very spotty internet, and it just sucks trying to download VPK files through my hotspotting my cell phone and try to download files on my laptop with the shoddy internet service I got through my cell phone right now. It just blows. But at any rate, I'll show you what's on here. It is the 3.60 firmware still, but it's hacked, it's modified. I bought this unit off of eBay. As you can tell, Henkaku was right there, so things are good and going. That's how much he sent me a 400 gigabyte SD card. I did the SD to Vita for him, so he has plenty of room. I loaded up a bunch of ROMs because this guy has like a little kid. I think he said a 5-year-old. So I did that. Package installer. Actually, I disabled the internet, so. But package installer, you can download your Vita games, your DLC, your themes, along with PlayStation 1 games, PlayStation Mobile, PSP games. Adrenaline, this is for the PlayStation PSP. And I believe, yeah, PlayStation 1 games can be also played within Adrenaline. RetroArch, I think everybody knows what RetroArch is. It's a great little application to play old school video games. The only thing I got on here for him is, let's see. I got him the Family Computer Disk System, the Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Nintendo NES, the Super, Game Gear, Master System, and Mega Drive. I will say, if anybody has RetroArch, you're more than welcome to disable the box art, because it does take some time to load in and stuff like that. But if you like to see it, it's right there for you. It's just a shame this isn't a touchscreen within the RetroArch application itself. But so I loaded that in for him, so he's good to go with that. And that's about it. Adrenaline. I didn't download any games for him through Adrenaline. He knows that he has to go to the PKGJ to download games. I remember the first generation of the PSP I had, and I got rid of it as soon as like the homebrew and the modding started, because I didn't have enough time to play it and stuff like that. The only game I had was, I think, 2 games actually, Ape Escape and the Silent Hill game. And so yeah. And that's pretty much it. So just a quick video, I guess. So this bad boy is going to, I think, Wisconsin or Florida. I don't remember. Look at his address someplace. So I'll slap that on. I'll send out this tomorrow for him. And I really hope he enjoys it. I did install the shell bat. So it says 98%. So the guy knows how much power he has. And I also did the power, quick power, standby and power off for him too. It looks so much nicer. It's cleaner. It sure saves the power button function. So keep that nice and clean and neat and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you, and hopefully everybody's doing well, even though Connecticut got hit by the storm really bad. And there's power lines out by me. There's trees down still. There's trees hanging on top of the power lines and the lines in general. So it's just a shit show right now. But at any rate, take care, guys.